honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, while I was filming this Wig Wednesday review of Brenda, isn't it cute, y'all? It's bouncing and behaving here. But anyway, the UPS truck came while I was filming, so this was on my porch 5 minutes ago. It's from Amazon, and this is my replacement item from that meat chopper that somebody sent me in my last honey mail. Somebody sent me a meat chopper, and since I already have one, I sent the meat chopper back and ordered this in the place of it. Something that I need because my shears, my kitchen shears are getting mighty dull. So this, the name of this, NOVASKO. NOVASKO. And the kitchen shears. It says premium kitchen shears. So we will see. Because I cut through a lot of chicken bones, y'all. That's how they come packaged up. So these are red and black. Come with the cover over the blades. Nice. Oh, bottle opener. Look at that. I haven't seen a bottle that needs to be opened with a bottle opener. I haven't seen one in a long time. Nice weight to these. This is also a bottle opener or a nutcracker. These teeth here. Okay, good feel to them in my hand. And if you can use them if you're right or left-handed. So I'm right-handed because these handles are the same size. Okay, I can't wait to use them cutting my chicken wings or whatever. Okay, so and these, they don't have no paper or nothing in here in the box. But these are supposed to be stainless steel. Oh, it says it on the box. Stainless steel, designed by NOVASKO in USA, but made in China. I don't care what stuff is made from. Some people don't want nothing made in China, but it don't make me a difference. Okay, cut hazard, sharp blade. Contact may result in injury. Always keep blades away from fingers and body. Handle with care. When not in use, store in its sheath or a safe place. Keep out of reach of children. That's nice to put that on here because some people ain't got common sense. Common sense ain't so common. Okay, I want to show y'all my NOVASKO premium kitchen shears in black and red, and they were about the same price as that meat chopper thing that I exchanged this for. So whoever sent me that meat chopper, thank you for my kitchen shears. Thank you. Thank you very much. And you already know I'm going to be using these a lot. Okay, thanks for watching. You all have a very blessed day. Bye. Thumbs up.